In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up leverage on TradingView. Before we begin, a quick note. The leverage you're about to configure applies to paper trading, TradingView's built-in simulator. Live leverage is always determined by your broker. This setup is ideal for practicing risk control and position sizing without exposing real funds, so treat it as a safe but realistic testing ground. Start by opening TradingView on your desktop or in your browser and head to the trading panel at the bottom of the chart. In that panel, choose Paper Trading and connect. Once connected, you'll see a simulated account with a balance and status. That confirmation means any orders you place will be virtual, and your custom leverage settings will drive the margin and profit and loss calculations you see in the platform. Next, look for the Account Manager area inside the trading panel. You'll notice your paper trading account name and balance displayed. Right beside the account name, click the small gear icon to open the account settings. This is where TradingView stores the preferences that control how the simulator handles margin and leverage. Inside the settings window, locate the leverage options. TradingView lets you set leverage by asset class, so you can assign different levels for stocks, forex, crypto, indices, or futures. Use the drop-down menus to pick the multiples you want. Keep in mind, leverage magnifies both gains and losses. Lower values, such as 2x or 3x, reduce margin pressure and can make drawdowns more manageable. Higher values, like 10x or more, increase buying power but also accelerate risk, so your equity can swing more quickly. If you're testing a new strategy or calibrating risk, start conservatively and scale up only after you understand how your positions behave through volatility. Consider the typical movement of each market. Aligning leverage with expected volatility can help you keep your risk per trade consistent across asset classes. After choosing the leverage for each asset class you plan to practice with, save the settings. Your changes apply to the paper trading account immediately. From now on, the order panel and position details will reflect the required margin and exposure based on the leverage you selected. If something doesn't feel right, you can return to the same gear icon and adjust the values at any time. And that's it. You've connected to paper trading, opened the account manager settings, selected leverage by asset class, and saved your choices. Use this configuration to refine your risk management, test position sizing, and build confidence before moving on to a live broker environment.